Stoughton here for IrishBoxing.com with John O'Carroll. Just interviewed you last week, John. I probably wouldn't even talk to you only for the prize fighter you just found out is on the line.
Yeah, happy days. I literally just found that out today, but that's another little bit of oomph. But come here, I'd just like to clear up as well. I was on the High Performance. Deco was saying there a second ago that I wasn't on the scene. I was on the High Performance. I won 2 All-Irelands, so I don't know what he's talking about. I was younger than him already, so I wasn't on his High Performance maybe, but I was on the High Performance. I boxed in the EU, and the fella who actually put me out of that won a silver in the 2012 Olympics. So I don't know what Deco's talking about. But,
it's building nicely. Everyone's saying, oh, this is you know, no bad blood, but once you start saying stuff, I think Matthew said it before, even if he was to fight Andy Lee, they'd get on or whatever, but once someone says something, someone takes it the wrong way, and is it building nicely that way, a bit of niggle now?
It's building nicely now. I have to say, like, there is no bad blood against me and Deco, but at the same time, this is a business, as he said. Like, we're in here to win, we're both here to win, and one thing I'd like to say, I sparred Deco before I was 16, he was 18, he was going for the seniors, and I had a chest infection and everything at the time. We done 3 rounds, my dad turned around to me and goes, "You already for another one?" I goes, "Yeah," and this was coming to help him for the seniors. I wasn't even training for anything at the time. And I goes, "Yeah, I'll go for another one," and he shouted over, his dad said, "Yeah, one more." Deco goes, "No." So Deco was the one that quit. So he has a weak heart, you know what I mean? That was only amateurs, that was sparring. So we're going to see, this is 6th rounder, and like I said before, this is amateur. This is not like, this is professional, sorry, this is an amateur. I respect everything what Deco has done in the amateurs, but this is a totally different game, you know what I mean? We're not going to like score points, tip and move, we're going to be banging, the judge is going to see that. You don't get points for running, you know? So we'll see when he come forward, and seriously doubt he's going to come forward. Like there he's pretty much admitting that I can box him or I'll fight him. Pretty much at the saying he's going to box now.
What did you make of his demeanour there? Like,
Deco's always going to be confident, you know what I mean? I'm confident as well. If you're not confident in this game, forget about it. But I'm very confident for Saturday. I can't wait, I'm buzzing for it now. So,
we're looking forward to it too.
Thanks very much.